BorderConnect eManifest offers a hassle-free solution for trucking companies looking to streamline their customs compliance. As a service provider, you can file eManifest data with customs on behalf of multiple highway carriers using our platform. This makes it easy for customs brokers, border consulting firms, and other self-filing carriers to manage ACE and ACI eManifests. You can even offer eManifest software under your own brand using our white label solution. To get started, simply go to BorderConnect.com and sign up, and complete the registration process. Within 1 to 2 business days, a BorderConnect representative will follow up with you and discuss your options and get you set up. As your own eManifest service provider, you'll have the ability to easily manage multiple companies and switch between them as needed, with access to the administration buttons and the company switcher on the top right of the page. It's simple for your employees to navigate between different company profiles. For example, to switch companies, simply use the Change Company box on the top right. You can change companies by typing in the name of the company and clicking it, or by typing in the SCAC or Canadian carrier code. Once you click on the desired company, you'll automatically be switched to that company profile. From there, your employees can create eManifests on behalf of the company or manage company data, such as their trucks, trailers, and drivers. With BorderConnect eManifest software, managing multiple companies has never been easier. The BorderConnect eManifest platform also makes it easy for service providers to manage and track their eManifests. The administration section on the top of the page includes buttons for the ACI and ACE fax service, allowing you to quickly access lists of the most recent eManifests processed by your employees. A quick glance at the eManifest listing page reveals the status of each manifests and any notes left by your employees, helping you determine if any eManifests need additional information or following up with drivers or dispatchers. When using BorderConnect eManifest software, processing eManifests and managing data is straightforward and user-friendly on any device. We also have multiple methods of learning how to use our software. Customers can visit our YouTube channel for a quick tutorial, visit our support wiki for more thorough instructions for many scenarios that users can come across when using our software, or book a hands-on training session with one of our friendly account representatives. As a BorderConnect eManifest service provider, you also have the option to connect to our eManifest Developer API for easy exchange of eManifest-related data to connect to your third-party or other business software. All eManifest data is encoded as a JSON, a simple text-based format, and the connection to our API uses WebSockets for its ease of use, flexibility, and performance. To learn more about BorderConnect eManifest API, visit BorderConnect's website and look at our guide on how to use our API. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact BorderConnect's 24/7 sales and support team at 1-800-596-5176.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Subscribe below for more videos like this, or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.